Multiple Tesla Cybertrucks spotted in car hauler at Giga, Texas. 2 finished Tesla Cybertruck units, with more presumably hiding behind coverings, have been spotted loaded in a funky red and white car hauler in the parking lot of Gigafactory Texas by drone operator Brad Sloan, who published a flyover video on his YouTube channel earlier this week. The 2 visible pickups don't appear to have any camouflage on their bodywork, but other than that, we don't know any more details about them, where they're going, or what's their purpose. A screenshot from the video showing the car hauler was posted on Gregortruck's Twitter account. A prominent Cybertruck follower and occasional spy shot taker, to which he got a reply from someone who claimed the vehicles are media review units. However, we have no idea who that person is, and more to the point, Tesla is known for its aversion to mass media outlets, so it's highly unlikely that this is the case. With this being said, CEO Elon Musk gave interviews and inside looks to traditional and online media personalities like Jay Leno and Marcus Brownlee, aka MKBHD, so this theory isn't totally out of the question. Moreover, we can speculate that Tesla could have sent these particular pickups to Fremont for evaluation after having completed testing. Or maybe they were shipped to do more real-world testing in different regions of the country. Another possibility is that these are finished products intended for delivery, which, if true, would mean that Tesla has passed the pre-production phase and started low-volume assembly for delivery intent units. But, again, we have no way of knowing this for sure. What we do know is that the Austin-based EV brand is still doing all sorts of calibration and testing procedures on the delayed all-electric pickup, as revealed by recent sightings, and that initial production is on track to begin later this year, according to the company. During its Q2 2023 earnings call, Tesla claimed that the Cybertruck will be the first sub-19 feet truck that has both 4 doors and a 6-foot bed. If true, this would mean that both Ford F-150 Lightning, with its 5.5-foot bed, and the Rivian R1T with its 4.5-foot long bed, will be one-upped by the Angular zero-emissions pickup. Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.